Hi everybody. Today we're doing a review of the Porter Road meat delivery online service. So this box just arrived about 20 minutes ago. So you're going to see the box just the way the Porter Road expects you to see it when you get it. Okay. All right, so the first thing you get is you get the packing slip, which tells you what you ordered. I'll get this out of the way. And then you'll see how they pack it. This is how it comes. We'll go over that later. This is how well it's packed. These are the ice packs that come with it. I don't want to move this back and slide this down so you can see inside the box. How about that? Much easier if you can look inside the box. There you go. So, now let's take a look and see what we've got. Okay, so this is the ground beef. This is 1 pound of ground beef. Now this is how it comes. It's not totally frozen all the way through. There's 2 of them. But if you can see the color of that ground beef, it really looks good. There's just little splotches of natural fat in it. It really looks good. Let's move that out of the way. Next, there's a bacon. The bacon comes uncured. It's uncured cherry wood smoked bacon. Now let's take a little bit better look at that. You'll see how large the slices are. It's really thick sliced bacon, delicious. So we have a couple of pork chops here. The pork chops, this one is 0.72 pounds and this one is 0.69 pounds, boneless pork chops. Well, let's take a look at these guys. So here's how they look out of the packaging. Table. Let me do one more thing for you. Let's measure them. So it looks like you've got about 3 inches, a little bit more, and the length is about 5 inches. The depth along the fat cap here, on this side anyway, is about 1 3/4 of an inch. And of course it's not that much on this side. So this is what the pork chop looks like when it gets here. As I mentioned, this one is 0.72 and this one is 0.69 pounds. Once again, it's just a nice little fat cap on the back end of it, and they look very good. There's not too much fat at all. Relatively lean in the middle, so these will cook up nicely. The Kansas City strip. Let's see, it's nice that we've got 2 of them to compare. So now the Kansas City strip, just like the other meats, it's not coming to you frozen. It's coming to you very cold. You can feel how cold that is. This is a Kansas City strip. This is another one. Just for comparison's sake, I'm gonna get the rest of these out of here so you can take a better look at them. But for comparison's sake, I want you to take a look at the marbling that you have here on the inside of the steak. That's that first one. And the marbling on this one, with fat cap on that side. And there's the bone on that strip. Now, what about the weight? This one is 0.94 pounds. And this one is 1.08 pounds. So this is the Kansas City strip. If you're really interested, we can take a look at what are we looking for? What are we going to get out of this? Well, we're going to get this one is about 7.5 to 7 3/4 in length, about 4.5 inches in width. This one's a little bit smaller, but it's thicker, so it's nice and heavy. Now last but not least, the bone-in ribeye, which is my favorite cut. Your bone-in ribeye, this one is 1.24 pounds. Take a good look at what you're getting here. Once again, you're getting some fat along here, but that's just enough for it to cook up nicely. You get the marbling coming along in here. There is a bone right there. Same thing with this one. This is 1.34 pounds. And this one, once again, has the bone along the side, the marbling coming in on the end here. And let's get this out of the way so you can take a better look at them. It comes packed in this green cell foam. And they make ample use of these Creative Ice packages. I'll move this out of the way. I'm gonna get the steaks right in front of you. So there's your ribeye, there's your Kansas City strip, your strip, and your ribeye. So this will give you a really good look at them side by side, see what you're getting. And for the price, for the quality of the meats, you really get an excellent product. No matter what you order. Just to be clear, Porter Road is not paying me for this. I'm not getting this for free. It's just my normal prescription or my normal subscription. If you like this and if you like this video, please like and please subscribe. Of course, post any comments and any questions about the meat itself, about the marbling, about what's going on. This will give you a really good view of what you get when you order from Porter Road. Thanks a lot. Please click that like button and subscribe. Take care. Just to give you a final shot on this, I wanted to give you a close-up on the meats that you have. These two are the strips. Just to give you a great close-up on what kind of quality that you're getting with them. Here, I'll move over to the bone-in. Give you a nice view of that, as well as there's the bone-in ribeye. That's what you have here. There's your quick look at your hamburger, and of course, your pork. Have a great day.